Anthony Rubio is een van de bekendste hondencouturiers van de Verenigde Staten. Hij is de oprichter van het merk Bandit Rubio en zijn twee hondjes, Bogie en Kimba, zijn daar het uithangbord van.
Hey guys, here we go. This is Yanni's studio. You ready for your fashion shoot? Yanni? Hey, what's up? How are you? How's it going? Well, here go the little monsters.
Anthony, Bogie en Kimba verschenen al verschillende keren op de nationale Amerikaanse televisie. En ook in de geschreven pers worden ze vaak opgevoerd.
The boys are considered among the top models. People call them supermodels. I just say that they enjoy it so much that it comes through in the pictures.
Bogie en Kimba poseren dit keer voor Anthony's nieuwe wintercollectie.
You got squeaky toys? Okay. Stay.
Look over here.
Perfect.
Kimba, Bogie,
Look,
Kimba.
you want this? I got cookies.
Kimba, Bogie.
Kimba,
Bogie, Kimba. One more.
Hey.
Kimba, Kimba, bap. Got it.
Got it, okay.
Bogie en Kimba dragen al kleren sinds ze puppies zijn. Voor hen is het dan ook de normaalste zaak van de wereld.
The funny thing is when they see a dog that's not wearing clothing, it's very weird, but they look at them weird, like, what's up? You know, it's like they're so used to wearing clothing that it's like there's something missing when they see the other dog. Yeah, these guys are little experts because ever since they were when I got them at 2 months, they were already posing, so they stay in position. The funny thing is that I walk away when we take a picture, you walk away, and they stay holding the pose anyway until you tell them to stop. Kimba!
Kimba, wake up. There you go.
You got it?
Yep.
Show that face. There you go. Oh, beautiful. Those are my little fashion models. They're pros.
That's your shot.
That's the shot.
Bogie en Kimba poseren al 2 jaar. In die tijd hebben ze al meer dan 100 fotoshoots op hun palmares geschreven. Steeds is Anthony de regisseur.
All right, what are we doing now?
We're gonna put Bogie inside your cup.
New York?
Uh-huh. I love New York. Bogie, stay. 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 Hey. What did I say? Stay. Stay. The boys have made appearances. They've been in the newspapers. They've been on television. They've raised their own money. They have their own credit cards, debit cards, which has several $100s. And when their food is running out, I call up and I say, you know, Bogie and Kimba want their treats or whatever, and it gets shipped to my home.